Should you be using a personal Pinterest account or a business Pinterest account for your business activities? Now, I always think that this question kind of answers itself, but I have heard it for no less than 10 years as a Pinterest marketing expert and educator. So let's lay it to rest and go over all the reasons why, if you are looking to leverage Pinterest as a business owner or a creator or looking to make money or help grow your business using Pinterest, why it is so important that you do switch or migrate your account to being a Pinterest for business account. Now, many of us started out on Pinterest years ago as personal users, and I'm sure you're nodding your head. Yes, Megan, that was me. You've been on it from the early days, but you used it as a regular user. You were pinning outfits, you were pinning travel inspiration. Maybe you were renovating your home or updating your dorm room. Maybe you were going to get a new puppy or eating healthy. Whatever it might be, you were using that Pinterest account for personal reasons. Now, somewhere along the way, you decided to become a business owner, or you decided to create content and hopefully monetize it, or become an entrepreneur. Whatever you use to describe yourself, you are describing activities that are associated with running an online business. And truly, from my perspective, this is a no-brainer. If you are using a marketing channel as a business owner looking to monetize, make sales, generate leads, turn it into some sort of income or revenue, you need to have a Pinterest for business account. Now, it's not just a name, it's actually a feature or an option that gives you a lot of opportunities. With your Pinterest for business account, you can claim your website. This means that you can embed a piece of code and Pinterest sends a signal to it and knows that you are the owner of that website. You can also do this currently with your Instagram account. Now, this is really important from an intellectual property perspective, where by telling Pinterest that you own and are able to claim that website or multiple websites and that Instagram account, that this is your intellectual property. So Pinterest knows if people are pinning your content, your products, or sharing your Instagram content to their platform, that you are the owner. This means that you can see what people are pinning. This is like having salespeople working for you in the background. Absolutely incredible. This also allows you to have more control of your intellectual property. And listen, data and information just allows you to make more informed decisions about your content creation and growing your business. Now, that's not it. As a Pinterest for business user, you also get access to a set of unique business tools that make your life easier. Pinterest trends, incredible. You can do keyword research, trend research to help make sure that you are showing up in the right places at the right time. Now, you also get access to rich Pinterest specific analytics that you do not get access to if you do not have a business account. And this is information that allows you to make better decisions. Things like knowing what's getting saved, what's driving traffic. These are all really important bits of information related to people taking action and engaging with your content on the platform. And again, I really cannot understate how important this information can be for you as a business owner. Even if you're looking to be a content creator, make money through affiliate income, or maybe even monetize your content creation, whether it's videos on TikTok or Instagram, or monetizing a blog, it's really important that you have access to these tools, because also it's a mindset. You show up in a different way when you are a business owner. You aren't just using the platform for fun. You're not just saving ideas. Those are now your people that you want to reach. And Pinterest truly as a platform wants to support its creators and its business owners. And they've created so many incredibly rich, well-supported programs so that people like us can really learn how to use the platform organically, as well as potentially be interested in running paid advertising on the platform. Now, it's not just about trends and analytics. It also means that you have a lot of control and extra features when you're uploading your pins. Pinterest wants to make it easy for you. It is a platform that thrives when more original ideas and content are added to the platform. So they give us lots of options for adding extra things to make our content dynamic. And listen, I'm the first person to tell you, yes, I love teaching people about Pinterest, but the Pinterest for business and Pinterest for creators documentation and support is absolutely incredible. And oftentimes, a lot of your questions when you're first starting out with Pinterest as a beginner will be answered right there. So I really encourage you, if you haven't yet, go check out their resources. The work that I do is that I take the best practices from Pinterest themselves and I bring it to life by telling you how to use it along with my in-field experience. I've been working with others, business owners, creators, big brands, famous people, famous artists, you name it, I've probably worked with them. And the thing is that the way that you come to Pinterest, there's always these unique tweaks or changes, or sometimes we're looking for more support, more knowledge, or more ideas outside of the very big documentation that's available from those platforms. And I personally think that the resources from Pinterest are incredible. Now, of course, if you want to continue your Pinterest learning journey, I want to tell you, you are in the right place. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be sharing more videos like this that give you practical in the trenches tips that are going to help you to really learn how to leverage Pinterest for your unique business. Whether you are a content creator, an entrepreneur, you own a shop, you're looking for clients, whatever it might be, I'm going to be bringing some of my best teaching bits here to YouTube to help support you better. Now, like I said, if you aren't already, make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.